Hi everyone, it's Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today I'm going to jump into ScaffoldIQ. I'm going to show you the process of assigning an inspection template to a scaffold ready to be filled out. Let's get started. When it comes to creating an inspection or adding an inspection to your scaffold, if you need to create a certain inspection, you can go into inspection templates and then add one in. These are pre-made inspection questions that you would add in from this section here, all questions. So any questions that you'll need for any type of inspection document, you would add them in here. Templates. Add your template here, give it the template name, and then tick off any questions that are relevant for this inspection. Okay, once that's been completed, I can go into my scaffolds now to add in the document that's been created. So I'm going to choose this scaffold, click here for more details. Inspection templates. As you can see, I've only got one inspection template added into this scaffold. So what I can do is click edit. I'm going to click here, and now this is where you'll see the new templates that have been created for you to use on your scaffolds. Okay, so if that inspection is relevant for this one, you would then tick off what is relevant for this scaffold. Click OK. Now these are ready to be used for your scaffold. So if I go into here now, needs an inspection, I can choose now which inspection I want to do now. So I'm going to click on my 7-day one. This will automatically make it relevant for waiting inspection, fill out the inspection, answer all my questions, give it a tick, give it a sign, and then that inspection will be completed. So I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come. And if you want to know more information regarding this process, please reach out to our support team today. Thanks for watching.